here again at the Everton Reach roundabout, which is in to the eastern end of the Warwick area, mainly close to the parish of St. Thomas. And it is also part of the ABC highway. Is a part of the ABC Highway, which starts from the Granny Adams International Airport, which is in the south, and will end at University of the West Indies at KFA campus in the west. So the ABC Highway was the plan of Barbados' second Prime Minister, Tom Adams. He wanted it to be easy access. But promoted was to get to industrial estates across the island. So he started in stages from the airport to the Newton Industrial Estate, and then from Newton Industrial Estate to Rendezvous, from Rendezvous to Wildy, then from Wildy to Haggett Hall, and then from Haggett Hall to Warrens, and then from Warrens to University of the West Indies. So as I said before, it runs from south to west. The ABC Highway started construction sometime in the early to mid 80s and was completed by 1989. But sadly, Tom Adams did not live to see the highway completed. He died 4 years before the completion of the ABC Highway. He died in 1985. This is the Lawrence Business and Commercial Area. And again, we're looking back to the Eunice Gibson Polyclinic, which is known as the Warrens Polyclinic. This polyclinic will serve residents for the parish of St. Thomas and neighboring communities. It was intended to be a crematorium in the 70s, but the late Prime Minister Barbados said it was too close to the road, so he decided to change it into a polyclinic. Section of the highway will take you about a Price Smart, Hill and back to Bridgetown. The right turn here will take you back to the south and east of the island via the ABC Highway. So that will take you back to the airport and Battle Christchurch, St. George and those parishes via the ABC Highway. Straight ahead here will take you back to Warwick and Jackson and back into the parish of St. Thomas. And this is the first Caribbean bank headquarters out of Warwick's Great House. this section here will take you back to the north and west of the island via the Ronomac Highway and ABC Highway. First Caribbean Bank headquarters at the Michael Mansard building, and it was once Warren's Great House. Polyclinic, Warren's Polyclinic. And this is the Massey Door Mall, which was once BS&T Motors, and then it was BS&T Mall. And you can see the Massey Supermarket in the background, which was once Supercenter. And this is the Warren's, the Williams Tower, which is head office for Digicel in Barbados. First Caribbean Bank headquarters. Warren's Polyclinic. mall here, the massive supermarket in the background, the Williams Tower, which is head office for Digital Cell, the Warren's First Caribbean Bank. And in the background here, you can see the Gun Hill Signal Station, which is in St. George, which gives off one of the top views of the the west, south, east and west of the island, and into Bridgetown up there.